As the world's air forces prepare for a new era of air dominance, one name is beginning to steal the spotlight in the shadows of secret projects and future technology presentations, the J-50. This fighter jet is not just an upgrade from the previous generation, but a symbol of China's intention to reshape the global air power landscape. In the quiet of Beijing's military strategy, the J-50 exists not just to protect territory, but to signal to the world that air dominance is no longer the monopoly of a single country. This is where the J-50 begins to be mentioned as a serious potential challenger to the United States' Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. After the success of the J-20 as China's first fully operational stealth fighter jet, there was a need to fill a strategic gap, a smaller, more agile aircraft that still carried stealth capabilities and advanced sensors. The J-20, while powerful in long-range missions and as an initial strike platform, was not ideal enough for air dominance in dynamic and complex combat scenarios. With that, the J-50 Development Initiative was born, a project that is expected to start in the mid-2020s as a direct response to two things: the American NGAD program and global sixth-generation aircraft technology upgrades. The J-50 is not simply an evolution of the J-20, but a re-engineering of the future fighter jet concept. Driven by AI research, big data, and twin digital-based manufacturing capabilities, the development of the J-50 marks China's shift from a catch-up strategy to redefining combat standards. In terms of appearance, the J-50 looks much more compact and clean than its predecessor. The body structure blends smoothly with the diamond delta-shaped wings, with no sharp curves or elements that reflect radar significantly. The air intakes are flush with the body, and the engine exhaust has been fitted with flat, heat-absorbing nozzles, drastically reducing the infrared footprint. However, the J-50's stealth power does not rest solely on its physical form. The aircraft is equipped with an experimental stealth plasma system that obscures radar cross-sections by ionizing the air around the fuselage. While this technology is still controversial, China has reportedly tested it in limited flights. The new generation radar-absorbent coating also allows the J-50 to stay longer in anti-access zones without sacrificing speed. The J-50 is not just a stealth jet, it is a mobile air command center. Its ESA radar is dual-frequency, capable with passive and active modes, enabling target detection with even minimal radar signature. Enhanced with infrared sensors, a 360-degree optical system, and advanced electronic support measures (ESA), the J-50 is designed to evade, confuse, or even outwit enemy radar. Another standout feature is sensor fusion, which brings together all data inputs from onboard and external sensors, including satellites and partner drones. Its AI system is even capable of predictively identifying enemy movement patterns. In terms of armament, the J-50 is equipped with the latest generation of air-to-air missiles, including hypersonic versions of the Place-215 and Place-21. Its internal weapons bay is capable of carrying up to 6 long-range missiles, while the modular system allows for quick changeovers with anti-radar missiles or precision bombs. This makes it ideal for long-range duels as well as anti-radar missions on enemy networks. Performance-wise, the J-50 is claimed to be able to fly at supercruise speeds without afterburners up to Mach 1.8 for extended periods of time, a feature that is crucial in the face of sixth-generation aircraft like the NGAD. Powered by the new generation WS-19 engine, the aircraft also has a multi-axial thrust vectoring system that enables extreme maneuvers, such as Cobra turns or high-alpha loops, with precise control even at low speeds. In addition to speed and maneuverability, the J-50 also relies on network-centric warfare. It is designed to operate in digital formations alongside combat UAVs, such as the GJ-11 or its loyal AI wingman, forming an intelligent air swarm capable of simultaneously sabotaging opposing defenses from multiple directions. Compared to the F-35, the J-50 is superior in maneuverability, speed, and electronic warfare systems. The F-35 is still superior in NATO interoperability and its weapons ecosystem, but the J-50 wins in tactical flexibility and standalone operation capacity. When juxtaposed with NGAD, the J-50 does come under the shadow of the futuristic project, as NGAD is not just an aircraft, but a complete combat system that includes AI, companion drones, and full integration with the 6G combat spectrum. However, the J-50 is the only active platform from Asia that can realistically challenge NGAD in terms of stealth, hypersonic weapons, and information dominance. Against the Su-57 and the European FCAS, the J-50 excels in design efficiency and electronic capabilities, although it loses to the FCAS in terms of open modularity concept and collective AI development. The J-50 is a bold statement from Beijing that it is no longer just playing on the regional power chessboard, it wants to be the game changer. This jet is not built to compete with the past, but to face the future. With a capable stealth design, intelligent avionics, and above-average combat performance, the J-50 is set to be the bridge between the 5th and 6th generations. Although not yet widely known, the jet's presence shows that global military technology competition is becoming more intense and cannot be underestimated. The question now is no longer whether the J-50 can match the NGAD, but how quickly it can be produced and operated on a large scale. Because in the world of air dominance, speed is not just a matter of aircraft, but a matter of time.